couple ways you can do that. Now, let's go on and just continue with distributive property. 1/6 times p is 1/6 p plus 1/6 times 24 is 4 equals 10. Now, subtract 4 from both sides. Minus 4 and minus 4 cancels out. You bring down your 1/6 p equals 10 minus 4, 6. Multiply the reciprocal to both sides. Well, the reciprocal of 1/6 is 6/1, but you just write 6 if you want. Times 6 to both sides. And those cancel out and become p equals 6 times 6 is 36. Once again, if you had wanted to, you could have multiplied the reciprocal first to both sides. Alright, distributive property here. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky for students. Look, you have this right here is a decimal, this is a decimal. Oh look, you have this as a fraction. It's a pain to use, but if you want to change this to a decimal first, you can do that. 3/5 as a decimal is 0.6. 0.6a plus 5.25 equals 7.35. Now let's do the distributive property. 0.6 times a, and then we'll multiply 0.6 times 5.25. So 0.6 times a is 0.6a plus 0.6 times 5.25 is 3.15. And you bring down your 7.35. Okay? Now we're going to subtract 3.15 from both sides first. Cancel out. Bring down 0.6a equals, and then when you subtract, and 7 minus 3 is 4, so you get 4.20 or 4.2. And then you're going to divide both sides by 0.6a. Or not a, but just 0.6. Okay? Cancel out. Bring down a equals, and 4.2 divide 0.6 easier than you think. It's 7. Okay? Now word